Balancing work and student life is always a battle against the clock. Struggling financially is not for the weakest, they say. But what if you don't have a choice anyway? As she made her way through this life, she often wondered, will there be a light beneath all those struggles? Could she ever succeed in life? Will she be patient to conquer it all, or like any other people, she'll find herself falling through the hole?
So guys, before we are going to end our class, I would like to remind you that our exam is fast approaching. You need to settle your permit because we are not going to record your exam result if you cannot settle your accounts in the accounting office.
What if i-try mo ang website? Super trending, nasusubok. Kasi na ang mga parta ka. True phone naman. True phone man ang tawa ba na ito?
Ano yun ang tawa ba na? Yung phone lang yun saya, tapos sa na maka-earn mo ko na ayhan?
Oo, natawa ba lang. Kay gapong ko lang siya, tapos ginahambaya lang ang mga products, tapos may gabakal na.
Okay. So, pwede cosmetics.
Pwede, bisa na no lang yung mga baligya. As long as pwede siya mabaligya.
Okay. Pwede naman
Try mo. I-try mo lang to, ano kasi makabulig mo si Marta. What if man lang makabulig si mo? Thank you, bye-bye!
One eternity later.
So, hi guys! Welcome to my live. So, today we're going to sell school supplies. So, Mercury yellow pad, 1/4 quiz pad, essentials of course, ID card, scissor, highlighter, black ball pens, blue and red, pencils and marker. We also have glue stick, sharpener and stapler, correction tape, also calculator para sa mga accountancy, and blue book for your examination. So, start na this. Scissors, 30 pesos, color black, blaba, gina siya, and talong. So, highlighter, 20 pesos, color pink. Then, black ball pens, 10 pesos each, blue, red, pencils, 10 pesos each lang guys. So, next is yellow pad, 80 leaves, 40 pesos, 40 lang guys. Then, 1/4 quiz pad, 20 pesos na isa. Para sa mga quizzes niyo, 80 leaves naman isa. Mine ID card, yours na ni May, ID card 50 pesos. So next is inhaler para sa mga dasig maglingin ng ulo or gaka-stress na sa ACADS. So inhaler 80 pesos. Band-aid, syempre hindi na maiwasan mga accidents. So band-aid 30 pesos guys. And correction tapes para sa mga sala to avoid messy paper. Correction tape, 10 pesos. Gamayan siya guys, but dako ang iya nga unod. Calculator. Meron dali calculator, 120 pesos lang ni guys. Mahal ni sa ginabaklan sa downtown. Then, needed din sa mga accountancy students, na mind calculator, 120 pesos. Comment. And last but not the least, inyong exam blue book. Needed din sa mga taga-UNR na need exam blue book. So, my yellow pad. Yours na ni Hershey. Yellow pad, yours. Ano pa guys? Comment down. Mine ko. Mind calculator. Yours na ni, Shirley. Mind calculator, yours na ni. Miyara na ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 na lang ka-blue book. So, ang minimum kung magbakal, every person is 2 lang. Because, para mayara man ng iban, then hindi sila maubusan if ever. So, that's it. Bye, guys!
Actually, we try to suggest sa light. And apparently, meron ko karoon i-meet up ng mga nag-buy sa company.
Eh, that's great. Dito na yung makaipon. Kaya napaka-save mo para sa exam. Tapos makakuha ka exam, hindi ka ano sa score mo. Hindi mapag-amin mo.
Actually, nakasave dito na.
Tama yun. Sakto lang nililin na kasi ko. Ready?
Yes, thank you. Good sa inyong suggestion.
Of course, syempre.
That's what friends are for.
Yes.
Benedict!
Hindi, mawala ka na lang.
Oh, may make up ako, you know.
Sige, sige.
Ako.
Ay, mga
Yeah, you're okay. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
May message na sa... Wala, nag-chat ng seller. Ginorderan ko.
Nag-in-order mo siya?
Ng school supply man ng mga ballpen, notebooks, kag papel.
May dyan, hindi ako katuin na.
Gatods ka monta sa...
Oh, black na lang siya.
Mabayan to na lang to. Makala mo sa lain, kido ka mahal man. Black ka sa akin.
Hindi kayo ko sila man. Okay na, kapagat siya. Alam yung black ko. Hello, Jill. Are you busy right now?
We came in man aga sa ako for our prelim exam.
Okay. Mayo ka pa makastudy for the upcoming exam.
Ahaw?
Pwede ba kaginaba ko sino sa school? May meet up ko because nag-order sila sa akon sa live. Then, eventually, wala ko nila meet up.
Ano? Tuod?
Yes, yawan ako pack and all and intention lang din nila isa ko mismong scam.
Ay, sa maganaya basta mga scammer, mawala himon sa kabuhi. Kabayin na lang. Pero, kung gusto mo, pwede mo na siya ma-live, diba? If wala man lang nilang kuha. Pero at least, masal mo sa Japon. Bye-bye.
10 pesos.
Do ka mahal na ihaw. Kung nantawon, do lampangan kabatang product mo.
A stapler, which is 30 pesos. Corner.
Who the hell would pay for that? I've seen better stuff in the dollar store.
Meron ka black ball pen, blue ball pen, red, and pencil. 10 each na guys.
Ang correction tape ng ginabaligya, mga pilit man na yan sa papel.
So, meron tayong healer, 80 pesos para sa mga dasi maligid ulo or stress sa akas.
Ano na yung calculator mo man? Washing machine, made in China. It looks so cheap.
Meron tayong blue stick 3 for 10 pesos. Yes, barato lang guys. Sa iba no, makakalitag 5 pesos each.
Ginahinto mo kami. Mas barato, panibless ko lahan ang mga school supply na baligya mo.
Bahala ka tayo kung mong bash kaya kay mabaligya ko yan. Next is blue book. Para sa mga may exam, so yun are, and they don't have the time, pwede ko kami up inside yun are. Because baka ubusan mo siya.
Stop hyping it up. It's not worth shit.
So that's it. Bye guys! So hi guys! Welcome again to my live. So meron pa the yellow pad. 1/4 quiz pad. Examination blue book for upcoming exam. Then calculator for accountancy students. Fake ID card for para hindi mo basa ang mo ID, hindi mag-freeze. May cover siya dapat. So, mine 50 pesos, ID card, mine 50 pesos, comment down below. So, may kita mine 50 card. Yours na ni yours, may ID card. Then, yellow pad. Yellow pad, 80 leaves ni sa Russia. Mine na ni yours na ni yours. Then, to the bank 8, 20 pesos. Then, correction tape, 10 pesos. May to the highlighter, 10 pesos na. Stapler. Mine. Yours na ni Kathleen, 10 pesos. So, that's it. Bye, guys!
One eternity later.
Hello, miss. Ano ang sa nila, please? Okay, sige. Nakalapit na lang ako.
Hi sir, ako si Kim sir. Ako si Anthony sir.
Oo.
So, ari na yung matalan sir. Duwa ka calculator and ball pen sir. Check sir.
Wait lang. Legit mo na yung products mo?
Yes sir.
Wait lang, try ko. Oh, pindugan naman sa... Thank you, miss. Pila niya na, miss?
100 na sir.
Wait lang.
Thank you. Order again.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Uy, Kim, kaya ko simula yung setting. Anong update sa scam to? Okay na.
Yes, actually, kabayad ako exam.
That's great. Then the next time, na 50% na down payment. But at least, if hindi man nila pagkaon, di ba, may sales ka pa.
Yes, true. Actually, yun pati ko may advice and down ako sales.
Struggles teach clarity on what truly matters. Foster self-knowledge and encourage a mindset that values long-term goals over short-term gratification.
Determination and hard work can transform difficulties into opportunities. It is demonstrating the value of education.
A lesson that I learned is to be resourceful in life and not to be discouraged by setbacks. Instead of viewing mistakes as failures, view them as opportunities to learn and grow, which may help ultimately succeed.
Challenges, but every hardship can teach us resilience and wisdom. The story reminds us to be cautious in online selling, to not give up when facing struggles, and to show kindness instead of judgment to those who are simply trying to survive.
Challenges are an inevitable part of our life, but they shape our character and prepare us for greater opportunities. Success is not measured by how many times we avoid failure, but by our willingness to rise each time we stumble. For some, this may seem like a small victory, but for someone who only has herself, it becomes a significant triumph, proof of her courage, strength, and determination to keep moving forward despite the odds.
Bali, nag-start ko live selling sa pandemic since amo na siyang time nga ara ka lang sa balay, wala kay muon. Tapos para maka-extra income ko kag makabulig sa parents ko. Mga challenges nga na-encounter ko is hindi man everyday nga may mabakal simo. Depende pa kung may manamian or kung maubos ang imo mga baligya. Pero due tay nga may ginansya tapos maka-profit ka man gamay.